non-domestic. Number 2, non-domestic animal or fowl meat. Non-domestic. Okay. Rabbinic law prohibits. So now we're going to in reverse, right? Rabbinic law prohibits eating even chaya or a fowl meat or fowl meat cooked with even in chaya milk. So chaya meaning this like wild animal, right? So one matai rabbinic laws prohibits eating even chaya or fowl meat cooked with the chaya milk. So meaning this deer eat deer with the deer milk, or eat this chicken with the deer milk. So it's like it's only rabbinic, but still forbidden. And certainly if either the milk, the meat or milk was from the domestic animal, right? So I mean, it does not change. It does not make prohibition smaller or bigger, because it's still rabbinic. But all of the combinations, even one element is prohibited by the Torah law, or two elements, or both of them are rabbinical. Right? It does not make any difference. It is still forbidden. In addition, but the difference is, I guess, we're going to see later on. Like in some cases, as we spoke about the chicken with the milk, so we can derive benefit like after the fact. So that's how it is helpful. In addition, rabbinic law prohibits even merely cooking fowl meat in milk, since its appearance is similar to animal meat, and people may confuse with the animal meat. Okay. So one more time, rabbinic law prohibits even merely cooking fowl meat in milk. Okay. So I mean, because people would make a mistake. So let me check time quickly. I guess we can stop here.